Hi, welcome to the SAS. Today we are going to learn how to import an Excel into the SAS and create a SAS datasets. Here we have two types. So one is like we can import from the file menu, and then we can import using some a few lines of code. Okay, so we will see in the both cases. So let's see first how we can import an Excel using the file menu options. Okay, so here we're just going to, this is the SAS writer. I'm using the 9.4 version. So here we're going to import our Excel dataset. Okay, go to the file menu, click on the import data, and then browse for your input Excel. So with the correct the Excel format. So here I'm using the latest version of the Excel, and I'm just planning to import the same from my desktop. So click on the browse and go to the desktop, and I'm using .xlx, so I'm just click on all files. So click on my Excel, click on OK. So the next step is like it will show the sheet name, so just confirm and click on the next. So I'm using the sheet as like steps. So click on the next. Then we need to provide the dataset name, so output dataset name, what it should be. So I'm just putting like states. The output of the dataset will be created by the states name. So here is the option to save the program. So whatever we're doing, we can export the same in the program format, so that we can use that code later. So for now I'm just saving this program in my desktop. So import SAS. So this code I can use it later. This is the type 2 how can we use. So click on the next. So it will import the data. If you observe like 50 observations and the 2 variables, which is like 50 rows in the 2 columns. So if you want to see that data set, so 50 observations and 2 variables, you can go to the view explorer, like click on the work. So it's create on the work library. So there you can find the created data set, so with the 2 columns. Okay, so this is the process how to import Excel. So this is my Excel. So this is the process using the file option, import option. So if you remember, already we have export our code, okay, which is saved on my desktop. So let us see how we can run the same using this program. Double click on my program. So it will be with the few line of code. Here it is the program, how to import the data from Excel. So proc import data, and I'm the output name is the states. So for in this program I will change the name to states1. Okay, let me see. So that is Excel format, Excel path, data, and the run. So if you run the code, it will execute, it will import the data, create a data set. So here I am changing the output as of states1 to make sure it should be different. So it's ran. Go to the log. It created successfully. Just you go to the explorer and you will see the data set.